Hi, I'm Tamanna C, angel therapist and a psychic healer. And firstly, let me begin by apologizing for you not posting the November horoscope because I was traveling extensively. As we know that the energy cycles of every month bring about changes in all areas of our life, especially areas of our career, finance, family, social, health, etc. The horoscope for December 2014 is Taurus. Post 22nd of November, a lot of things in your life must have slowed down, which is due to pick up after the 3rd of December. On the career front, things have been slow for you since 22nd of November and will continue to be slow till 12th of December. You can expect work to pick up after 17th of December, but again will slow down post 28th of December until Jan 2015. If you're looking at starting something new this month, nothing much will materialize, so have patience. There could also be chances of signing a contract or getting into a partnership in the first 2 weeks of December, but results will only be seen in 2015. There could also be chances where you might work with new people, new client, or even hire new people in areas of work this month. Avoid friction with colleagues or employees between the 15th to the 24th of December. On the financial front, money will come until 15th of December, but post 24th of December, money will slow down. If there are some stuck payments in September, you can expect money to come in after 10th of December, but not the whole amount. So you will have to be more patient in areas of finances as well. Do not make any investments this month. There will also be extra expenses post 19th of December till the 10th of Jan, so you will also feel insecure towards the end of month in areas of finance. Health will need attention throughout the month. It may not be continuously a low period for you, but it will be unstable for most of you, so make sure you get enough of rest. On the family front, family life will be smooth and stable till 18th of December, post which you can get into unnecessary arguments, confrontations with family members, especially your partner. Avoid unnecessary drama in areas of family and do not take things personally. There could also be chances that because someone else is going through a low emotional cycle, you could get affected or get dragged into family matters. It's up to you how much you need to stay out of it. Do not hold on to past issues and bring it back in current issues, as it will only create trouble for you. On the social front, social life will be stable and smooth, but because of all your other cycles being low, you may not enjoy your social life. For those who are single, will meet interesting people before the 10th of December, but clarity about a relationship will only come to you after the 26th of December. Travels indicated between the 16th to the 29th of December for most of you. Karmic tip: be more patient this month as things may not go again. Karmic tip: you will have to be patient this month and be more tolerant with other people around you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Invisible Truth.